Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy Watch Active from Samsung. This is the black one. We're going to go ahead and unbox it and then go over the setup. I've been waiting a while for this. They are quite hard to find. I finally was able to order one and it just got delivered today. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and see what you get and see how it is compared to the other Galaxy Watches and S3 I had. I think I had the S3 Frontier if I remember correctly. So the box is a lot is super simple compared to the last watch I had. Everything is just right up front there. So right here we have your extra band, which is wrapped around the watch, and it's in this protective little cloth right there. This is the large band, which I won't be using. I use the small band, which is already pre-installed on the watch. Right here there is the small one. Nothing covering the screen, nothing covering the back, so no plastic to peel off or anything like that. Go ahead and set that aside. And then right here we have the charger. The charger is a little bit different and there is some plastic on it. Go ahead and peel that off. This charger is more of an Apple Watch style charger where it sits on the bottom. This doesn't have the backrest where you can stand the watch up. It just sits on like so and it magnetically attaches to the back. I don't know if there's a light on it to tell you the charging status or anything like that. It doesn't show anything on there about a light like the other one has, but just a standard USB charge cable. So that's what you get in the box. It's very, very simple. I have my Galaxy S10 here, so we're going to go ahead and power up the watch and just go over the general setup. I'm not going to get too in depth with it, but just see how it connects and everything like that and how easy it is to connect. Let's see, so I don't know which button turns it on. Looks like it's the bottom one. So I'm going to power up real quick. I think the pairing is pretty much automatic, kind of like the Apple Watch and the AirPods and that kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure Samsung's going in that direction, where you don't have to go through a bunch of steps, but we will see here in a second how it works. So I'm going to let that boot up. I'm not going to cut any of this out. I'm going to leave the full boot up time so you guys can see how long it takes. Looks like it is starting up. I'm still wearing my Apple Watch right now, even though I am using the S10. I've been wearing my Apple Watch just to use it as a watch. So it says let's go, and as you can see here, my Galaxy S10 has already detected it. So we're going to click connect. I'm going to swipe up here and we're going to click allow, 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 allow. It opened up the Galaxy Wearable app automatically. We're going to tap yes on there and tap yes on there. And it's completing setup. So it looks like it's a fairly simple process. There's no going through the settings, looking for the watch in Bluetooth, and all that kind of stuff. It finds them automatically, which is very nice, especially for people who don't like to have to go through the settings and find stuff when they really don't know too much about that kind of stuff. It's nice when everything just works automatically. So it's finishing the pairing process, and then after that you can customize it and download your apps and stuff like that. But that is pretty much how you set it up. It's super simple. Anybody can figure it out. Really all you have to do is power it on and have your device nearby. So I'm going to let that finish, and I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And you can pick one of these up on Amazon and Best Buy. I will leave links down in the description below. And as always, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I know I already said that, but have a great day, and see you on the next one.